Okie dokie. I'm just gonna make a little short video because I wanted to explain all the bullshit troubles I've been having with the batteries I bought for the bus. Let's see. You see, I have no batteries in the bus because I'm trying to charge them over here. I don't have electricity out here. I'm out on a big farm, far away from any electrical outlets and things like that. So, but it's gorgeous. So, but I do have a generator that someone gave me for free. That's pretty awesome. And I bought this battery charger here. And what I'm doing is running the generator and with the battery charger plugged in and hooked up to these batteries. These are Optima Bluetop batteries. They're RV deep cycle marine batteries. They're like $250 a piece. And they're especially designed for starting engines and storing electricity and stuff. So that's why I got them, so I can use them to start the engine on the bus, but also plug in inverter, charge laptops, cell phones, things like that. Anyways, when I got these batteries, I put them into the bus, and the bus wouldn't start. And I was like, why isn't it starting? And at first I thought there was something wrong with the electrical system. Eventually, what I ended up going out and doing is buying one of these. This is a digital multimeter, and it's pretty fucking badass. What we're gonna do is switch this over to the 12 volt setting right there, and this has got a positive and a negative lead on it. And what we do is we hook it up to the battery, and it tells us how many volts the battery is putting out. And we can tell based on how many volts it has whether it's a shitty battery or not. So, anyways, this I think is the battery that's giving us all the trouble. Okay, so I've got the positive one hooked up over there underneath that thing right there, and the negative over here. So we just touch that over. Our digital multimeter is telling us that we have only 10 volts. This battery's been charging at 10 amps for over 3 hours. So it was at about 9 volts earlier, and now we should have a full charge, but unfortunately it's only 10 volts. So this battery that I just paid $250 for is fucking crap. So this is our problem, because I already tested this battery. I'm merely just charging it to get it up to 100% right now, and it looks like it's almost there. So anyways, this battery is good, and the engine will start on it, but whenever this one's plugged in, I think it drains the second battery so much, or the good battery so much, that the engine just won't turn over. So it's time to take this one back to the store and get a new battery. And this is why you always save your receipts.